LED art of Huidu technology is used to connect with the LED skin control system and upgrade the programs on the LED skin in a wireless way. The app can be downloaded and installed by certain LED art in the App Store of an Android phone or iPhone. It can use to be downloaded and installed by scanning the QR code. Before upgrading programs by using the app, connect it with the computer and start setting the LED screen to run normally. After the Wi-Fi control card is powered on, find the Wi-Fi name of the control card in the wireless connection list of the cell phone. Click it and input the password for connection. After successful connection, the app interface displays the basic information and settings of the connected control card. Click the new full-color screen of the program interface. Then the app automatically reads-bangs the mode and resolution of the connected control card. Click the Confirm button to edit programs and videos and adjust the size and position of the video area. If wanting to display words on the video, you only need to input the words you want to display in the text editing area and adjust the size of the word area. In addition to videos and text, you can also edit pictures, clocks, animation words, temperatures, humidity and timing by the app. After editing the program, click the Send button and wait until the program is sent. In addition to the above methods for upgrading programs, you can also upgrade programs by shaking cell phones. Click the shake icon. Choose a picture or video and shake the cell phone. Then the picture or video can be sent to and played on the LED screen. Not only the program upgrading function, the LED art also have the on-off function of LED screens, brightness, time, remoter and selection tool.